I am Professor Eshenu Rao, HOD Department of Botany, JN College Dhurwa. Today I am going to teach the students of BSc Botany Honors Semester 1. The topic of today's discussion is microbial world. Under this topic, we are going to discuss more and more about the economic importance of bacteria with reference to agriculture, medicine, and industry. So let us discuss about the economic importance of bacteria in these three fields. The bacteria has long been playing an important role for the mankind and ecological, biological, and as a whole the biosphere. So, first let me tell you the economic importance of bacteria in the field of agriculture. It is very much well known the role of bacteria in agriculture. Say for example, it it is playing greater role in improving, increasing the soil health that we call soil fertility. So, to get soil healthy and to improve the soil fertility, we use different kinds of bacteria. So, bacteria are playing a major role in maintaining and improving the soil quality, the soil health. The another example of bacteria in the field of agriculture is biogas that we call gobar gas plant. What we see here, the gobar gas plant is quite different from the chemical gas or the gas which are produced from the factories or industries. Here the major difference between the gobar gas plant and the other industry is it is totally or entirely the organic in nature. Then what we mean by organic? By saying organic, I mean to say that the anything, any objects which is produced naturally and which is eco-friendly and which play a important role in sustainable development, and that is ecologically, environmentally, eco-friendly, that we call organic. So, this gobar gas plant is one kind of organic gas. It produces lesser pollutants. It giving us a domestic gas, kitchen gas, and at the same time it gives us electric power that we use in electric bulb and getting light. This gobar gas plant is entirely a burning example of organic farming. Let here another example of the bacteria in the field of agriculture is decomposition of dead organisms, or it it decomposes the dead remains of dead plants and animals, rotting of fibers, gene transfer, biotechnology. By saying gene transfer, I mean to say the bacteria play a role of vehicle. Through this vehicle, we transfer gene from one species to another species or from one organism into another organism. So it acts as a vehicle, so or via or media through which we transfer gene. So it is very much used in genome project. So bacteria is very important in genetic engineering and carrying out the transfer of gene. By this gene transfer we are getting more and more new hybrid GMO, genetically modified organisms, be it plant kingdom or be it animal kingdom. Both types of organisms are nowadays produced by the activity of this beneficiary bacteria in gene transfer. So, gene transfer is very important for getting more and more varieties and high yielding varieties in the field of agriculture, and not only in the field of agriculture but in dairy farm, animal husbandry, poultry, etc. Another most important role of bacteria is in the field of biotechnology. What do you mean by biotechnology? By saying biotechnology, its literal meaning is it comprises two words, bio plus technology. Bio means biological being, living being, and technology means equipments. So, bio plus technology, it becomes biotechnology. Its simple meaning is the biotechnology is the branch of biology through which we could get a desired varieties of plants or animals as per our will or desire with the help of equipments or technology. So this is one of the recent developing and newly advanced field in the field in the medical science, agriculture, medicine, and other industries. So biotechnology, by taking help with the biotechnology, we are improving our present day crop yielding and animal husbandry as well. So biotechnology playing a vital role in human civilization and modern society by the help of bacterial activities. So we can say bacteria are very much used in the field of medicines. Bacteria, they also provide us so many environmentally eco-friendly atmosphere atmospheric conditions. So this is important for sustainable development where the soil fertility and other atmosphere is maintained, which is important and suitable for the survival of the mankind and other organisms as well. Now when we look at the role of bacteria in the field of medicine, there are many more examples of bacterial application and bacterial activities in the field of medicine and medical sciences. Say, for example, very common example of bacteria which are nowadays used in the field of medical sciences as a medicine is antibiotics. Other is vaccines, vitamins, vinegar, enzymes, and lactic acid. These two words, antibiotics, vaccines, are very common example in the prevalent society. We are very much aware of these two words, what is antibiotics and what is vaccines. Vaccines is the word which means it is given to the newly born baby prevent the further infection, and antibiotics, it is the medicine which is given to the person when he is or she is infected. So vaccine is a cure. So prevention is better. It is all saying that prevention is better than cure. So vaccine is prevention and antibiotic is cure. So vaccine is given to prevent the further infection by the pathogen, and antibiotics are given after getting infection. So vaccine and antibiotic, these two things are most important and needed for the healthy and survival life, survival of the mankind and plants as well as animals. Now come to the role of bacteria in the field of other industries besides agriculture and medicine. Bacteria, they controls pollution, so they are eco-friendly. They maintains the environmental conditions and they make us healthy environment. So pollution free environment is or can be possible with the bacterial activities. Next one is waste disposal, cleaning of hides in mining industry, in petroleum industry, in dairy industry, in lactic acid formation, production, etc. So many industries are there where we are using a huge amount of bacteria and friendly bacteria to get and to fulfill our need. So bacteria are playing an important role from the very beginning of human being. Another activity of bacteria is the negative aspect of bacteria, and that is harmful activities of bacteria. Under this harmful activities of bacteria, we see the bacteria, they causes spoilage of food, the food poisoning, deterioration of domestic articles, denitrification of soils, pathogenic bacteria. By saying pathogenic, I mean to say that the bacteria which causes disease in plant as well as in animals. So they are commonly called as pathogenic bacteria. And other is bioweapons. Nowadays, bacteria are highly used as bioweapons. Um, so the bacteria, where it is playing the beneficiary or useful activities, and on the other side we can also see the bacteria playing the negative activities. So these are the some of the example of bacteria with the reference to their role in agriculture, medicine and industry. Now the most recent development of science and technology is that by using bacteria or friendly bacteria which are eco-friendly, the scientists are very much involved to convert the non-living atmosphere into living atmosphere. We can say non-living to living. This is possible because of the activity of bacteria. The photoautotropic bacteria, they are very much helpful in converting the environmental condition from non-living to living. By this way, the planet from this earth can be shifted to the another planets because of this conversion of non-biological environment into biological environment. A day will come when mankind can be shifted from this earth planet to the next earth planets, because there are so many moon, so many stars are there in our solar systems. So this is most important development of science and technology, when a people can see and they can enjoy another planets by taking help with this friendly and eco-friendly useful bacterial activities. So today, now this topic is over, and in coming classes we will study about the same thing, that is the economic importance of viruses with reference to agriculture, medicine, and industry. So this is the last one of this topic, microbial world.